Honestly, living in Delhi is great until you realize what the pollution is doing to your skin. The rising AQI, ऊपर से ये धूप और अब जो थोड़ी थोड़ी ठंडियाँ भी आने लग गई है. My skin has already become dry and I started having concern about my skin. So I started using a new range जो कि Makel product का range है, and I have been using them since last 1 month and I have seen good results on my face. So that's why I am here to share my review on these products. Let's just get ready to face yet another day and get going. So I start with cleansing my face and last एक महीने से I've been using nothing but this Makel का face wash. Salicylic acid, glycolic acid, niacinamide and aloe vera है इसके अंदर. So first of all तो it does good deep cleansing and ये breakouts भी prevent कर रहा है, hydrate रखता है and उसके ऊपर से इसका जो foaming technique है, it is so good. It's been giving me good result and बहुत अच्छे से clean कर रहा है, बहुत refreshing feel देता है after every wash. Next I go about taking this toner, Arcelia ka toner, because I think CTM routine is always the holy grail for me. So toning is yet another important step. I let it sit for some time. Now I go about using a serum. Now I don't use many active, only occasionally I use vitamin C. So this is the serum Makel ka. Now this has got vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, glutathione and vitamin E. It helps in brightening and lightening my skin and it has improved the skin elasticity. It has reduced dark spot and pigmentation. It also has anti-aging property, which of course I'll get to know later on, but right now it is very calming and I love the serum. Next I go about with using this eye serum and it has caffeine, peptide, hyaluronic acid. And the best part is the applicator is so good. ये metal applicator है and the moment I use it, it gives that ठंडा ठंडा सा feeling which I actually love. This has helped diminishing puffiness, minimizes dark circles, hydrates the under eye, brightens it and reduce the signs of fatigue, and I've been enjoying using this so far. Next I go with this moisturizer. This is Makel Oat Silk Moisturizer. का जो texture है, it is so smooth. I love the texture. This has got oat extract, vitamin E, aloe vera, glycerin, hyaluronic acid and shea butter. It gives 24-hour hydration. It has non-greasy formula. It strengthens the skin barrier, improves elasticity and also gives a radiant skin, which I actually love. And also the best part about this product is it can be used to the rest part of your body as well. Look at the instant hydration it gives to my skin. And now let's just lock everything in with this sunscreen. It is 50 SPF+++ broad spectrum sunscreen and it reduces dark spot. I use a 3-finger application. This is non-greasy, non-oily. It gives a matte finish and the best part is there is no white cast whatsoever. It is also paraben and SLS free, which is an added quality, and it can be used for all skin types. And so far I've been enjoying using this product and now I'm ready to take over the day.